Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jala kalapin bana ban pentrekam ya ke Chief Minister Hospitality Scholarship Program ban Beijing ra Pisa lai point reulak na kabenta Uwei pa Uwei Khynnah abu pulie ya ke BSc ha Hospitality and Hotel Management ha IHM Shillong. Uba polling do ubulong menteri ka Sorkar jala ha ke jengkram bigala pathai kubor ha ke arterik unai luar arja absan. Ulai thu berjing tumun pentrekam ya ke scholarship program kalong ban pensluri ke samlagi ba pulie ya ke higher professional education haga hospitality khrang bekin dobla ban beteng ya jing puli jongki kalkum ke jing thu jong ba pol kani ke jing ajing ra Pisa kalong na benta san pusan ngot ki samla puli na gi blok ba pher ki badon haga jalami galaya
sutunat bersobhaban pentip du shapi bangi maka Sorkar ngai rai ba kandon ka jing kersian yaki samla puli ki ba naki block level ngin ai ka jing kersian bakidio ban puli ya kane ka course haka BSc haka hospitality but hotel administration ha IHM Shillong kinong yo jing mentoy kinlong san pusan ngut ki samla puli man kasnem iwei nakawei ke block nakabenta ki lai ki batch kabamut sispa 100% ngut ki samla puli kini ki samla puli ki dei bende ki nong shong jong ka Meghalaya ki permanent resident besong basa junom ha Meghalaya ki blak pass ya ke class 12 bat ka ba ke English kadai kawai niki subject ke jingyo kamai jong kawai ke long yeng ka bala ban pa ban yo jingmentoi na ni ka project kan long duna ya ka lailak sisnem ka ba don kamru ya ki certificate na banta kata kan don ke jing khang ke jing dei bat karta ya ka jingjit ningkong IT ha ki video mar kini di samla puli ki ban mi na ki blog but hadin jo ki video kan select check state level selection committee di kajing penlut jong ka Sorkar na pendapan kersian ni kini sis pa 100% ngut ki samla puli kan long 100 crore 100 lakh san pun rio hajar saus pa nyawusan tingka kapamut lai point rio nyaw lak wei samla puli kani ka jumara ya kani ka project kan pentikna ba kambun ki samla na kani ka jala ka jungi kinyo ban puli haki kedat ki bakam halor hakani ka sector jong ka hospitality ka ban yarap ru ya ka jingkio jingsan jong ka tourism but ka hospitality sector. The launch of the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program. The objective of this scholarship program is to encourage entry into higher professional education in hospitality, to guide and nurture youth for global opportunities and strengthen the state's skilled workforce in the hospitality sector. There will be 100% tuition fee support for students pursuing the BSc in hospitality and hotel management at IHM Shillong. Beneficiaries will be drawn from all blocks of Meghalaya. 55 students will avail of this free support from the government of Meghalaya. One from each block, each meaning 55 students from one from each block for 3 consecutive batches, meaning altogether we will cover 165 students. The students must be permanent residents of Meghalaya with having cleared class 12 with English as a subject and whose family income annually is below rupees 3 lakhs with valid certificate. There will be no age restriction. The nomination of the students will be based on merit and interest nominated by the BDO, and the final selection will be done at the level of the state level selection committee. The tuition fee will be fully covered by government of Meghalaya, where the total investment for supporting this initial 165 students over 5 years is rupees 6 crore 6 crore 65,000 6 crore 6 lakh 56,475 6 crore 6 lakhs 57,475 rupees for 165 students, meaning that we are investing uh, around 3.67 lakhs per student. So the students will have to cover hostel, mess, uniforms, and other incidental costs.